In this video, I will show you how to remove Vonis browser on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, you have Vonis browser from your screen right here, or better still, just locate Vonis browser on your Android phone. Here we go. This is the Vonis browser right here. How can you remove them from your Android phone? And so all you have to do is to make sure you exit from the Vonis browser right here, and you want to make sure from the home tab right here, make sure you locate the Vonis browser again, click and hold down, and this is going to pump up. Just go ahead and make sure you click on uninstall. Once you click and hold down, simply go ahead and click on uninstall right here. Do you want to uninstall this app? Then go ahead and simply click on OK, uninstalling Vonis, and you are done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.